Here we go. Let's go and find out what's left of this Cwmbran outdoor pool. Make sure you watch until the end to see an AI photo of what it could look like if it was open today. Right? Here we are. Just before we get there, please let me know in the comments if you remember this outdoor pool and share your memories with me. I would love to hear them. Oh, and don't forget to watch until the end to see that AI photo of what it could have looked like today if it had remained open. Anyway, less talking from me, and I will let you see what's left. Enjoy!